Welcome back to Lawman Page 3 Asian Supermodel 2012 India contest. 16 top models have been reduced to 8. So देर किस बात की? Let's reveal our final top 8 contestants in Rabani and Rakha's stunning evening gowns. फाइनल राउंड खत्म हो चुका है और कुछ ही पल में हमें अपनी विनर मिल जाएगी। आई एम श्योर द गर्ल्स आर बर्स्टिंग विद एंजाइटी। लेकिन हमारे जजेस का क्या हाल है? चलिए उन्हीं से पूछते हैं।
Mr. Sethi, I actually have one question for you.
You know, we are celebrating Asian supermodel and our fashion industry here. Now the industry, as we all know, is experiencing this severe influx of foreign models. Do you think it's fair?
No, I seriously think that the Indian models are the best. And proof is in the pudding. So at the next Couture Week soon, in about a week's time, you will see that 70% of the models will be Indian.
Nina, my question for you is, with all the actors getting into the space of advertising, now do you really think this is going to affect the face of advertising at all?
Thankfully, with magazines, we really don't need... we have a lot of work for models, so...
But what about television commercials and things like that as well?
Well, with television commercials, maybe a few actors would be a good idea for a few brands.
Okay, now my next question is for Rohit.
What are the qualities, according to you, that a model needs to be your muse?
I think she should be super confident. She should walk really well, which I think a lot of girls need to learn. And I think the walk is something which is the most important.
Now, Rahul, what is the one quality that makes a model a supermodel, according to you?
Well, I think for me, it's always been presence on the ramp. When you see 16 models in a show, there's always one model.
And height seems to be a big question.
Not with me. I think the face, the attitude, how she carries the clothes. For me, it's always a presence to stand out between 20 odd models.
Hello, Reena. Okay. What do you think is more important for the ramp? Is it the beauty or her attitude on the ramp?
You know, the faces I found the best
right
in the room, ironically, were not the best on the ramp. So, as a judge today, I had to make a little switch.
Right.
The ramp took over the face.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Karan. Do you see any of these models representing your brand maybe in the future?
All of them.
Really?
You too.
Yeah, I'm there. No, but seriously, all of them?
They're all good.
Okay.
Yep.
And why?
At the end of it, we are functioning in the Indian market.
Thank you. Hello, Rajneesh. My question for you is, how tough or easy is it for a model to actually break into the Bollywood space?
I think modeling and acting are completely different. Modeling it helps you groom. which obviously helps in the acting field.
This is it, guys. It's time for you to meet the winners of Lawman Page 3 Asian Supermodel 2012 India contest.
Second runners-up is Vijaya.
The first runners-up is the lovely, lovely Tarveen.
And the winner is...
Shashi.
फैशन, खूबसूरती और ग्लैमर सब कुछ दिखाई दिया लॉमन पेज 3 एशियन सुपरमॉडल 2012 इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट में. We wish our winners all the very best for China and look forward to the Asian Supermodel 2013. This is Naeed signing off until we meet again.
It was a very tough competition and now I'm going to China and a supermodel already and really very happy and excited.
I'm really happy and really thankful to my God, my parents, my friends, everybody. This is a dream come true.
I'm very excited. I'm in top 3. Now I'm going to Korea. It's just full of excitement and I just want to win that crown too.
I really wish them all the best. And we really from Lawman Page 3 would like to wish them the very best for the show.
It's best of luck all the way to Shashi and Tarveen for China, and I hope they do India proud because I think they have all the potential. And of course for Vijaya in Korea, I'm sure she'll do us proud.